क्या आपका भी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव नहीं हो पा रहा है? जबकि आप इस लैंग्वेज में अपना एफर्ट, हार्ड वर्क, एनर्जी, टाइम, आवर एंड आवर लिसनिंग करते हैं, फिर भी आपको वो सेटिस्फाइंग रिजल्ट, इम्प्रूवमेंट नज़र नहीं आ रहा है। आप इम्प्रूव नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और आप उसी लेवल के साथ अटके हुए हैं, स्टिक हुए हैं। बट आपको भी इम्प्रूव करना है, आगे बढ़ना है, फास्ट ग्रो करना है। जैसे सब लोग फास्टली ग्रो कर रहे हैं, इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, फ्लुएंट बोल रहे हैं, वैसे आपको भी बोलना है। देन स्टॉप वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, एनर्जी एंड नो द कॉज, what is holding you back, and what are the solution, what are the tips to elevate your English level, improve, grow fast, and speak English fluently, confidently. So, in this video, my dear friend, I will share with you 5-6 tips, and if you follow, then definitely 100% it will work. And you also know that it works 100%. But why people avoid this technique not to do? Because here they have to compromise little bit, not with any material thing but with their choice. Okay, but really if you are hunger, thirsty for learning, for growing, then you will follow this. Why? Because you know the value of this line, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. So without wasting time, let's talk about those tips which will assist your English level to elevate. So my dear friend, first tips, listening. I know you know listening, but you listen a lot. And listening a lot is not problem. If you want to improve your English, then you have to listen a lot. But what is problem? Problem is here you listen a lot of video, multiple of video. You listen, and that is problem. When you listen a lot of video, you don't learn anything. You give your time, you give your energy into listening, but you don't get anything as a outcome. And that is the problem, that you are giving time, you are listening hour and hour and giving your energy but getting nothing. You are getting very less. So stop listening in this way and start listening as I am telling. So how you have to listen? See, you must have some favorite YouTuber whom you love to listen. So whomsoever you love to listen, pick his or her video, 4, 5 या 10-minute video, pick and listen that video. Do listening a lot with one video, with not multiple of video, with one. Again and again, I will say that listen 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon, and then evening. If you can listen more than that, then must go. The more you listen, the more you understand, and that would be effective listening that will help you to improve, elevate your English level. So do your listening in this way. One video, repeat again and again. And here I know it would be boring and you don't like to watch same video again and again, but my dear friend, I told कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. So here you have to do compromisation with your choice and stick with one video and do listening again and again until you feel I understand it deeply. Now there is nothing to understand and know. So do listening at least 3 times. Otherwise, if you can do more than that, then go for that. That would be very, very good for you and for your English and help you to improve your English fast way. So, one video, listen repeatedly again and again. You have to do this one. This is the first. Second, expand your vocabulary. And for this, you don't have to do something separately. This tips will be covered with first one. So whenever you are watching that video repeatedly, over there you must get some vocabulary. So while listening you will do repetition. Those vocabs also understand and memorize strongly. So for learning vocab you don't have to do anything separately, but you have to be aware and carefully when you are listening. You have to care about vocabs also, that you have to learn vocab. If you want to speak English fluently and in flow, then you must have a lot of list of vocab. So you got to know how you can expand your vocabulary list. Let's move on third. In third you have to work on grammar. Yes, you heard it right. Why? Because if you don't know basic grammar, then must work on that, so that you will learn how to frame sentences. That is very very important. Sentences are very very important, then you can speak, you can write, convey your message, if you know how to frame the sentences. So for that you have to work on grammar, basic grammar. And also you can take any grammatical structures and create 20, 30 sentences on the base of that structures. So that's how that structures will fixed in your mind, and whenever you will speak automatically, in flow, effortlessly. So work on grammar. And how you can practice: take one structures and practice, create 20, 30. So in this way that will fixed in your mind with repetition. Fourth, train your tongue. Yes, train your tongue means do communication. Start speaking, no matter how, with whom, and what, but do speaking with anybody, with yourself, with anyone, and speak anything. Storytelling, situation, any kind of topic. Take and start speaking. Yeah, the video you are repeating again and again, talk about that. What did you learn? What did you watch? And what was that? Talk about that. Discuss with anyone and discuss with yourself. If you don't have anything else to speak, then talk about that. So that's how once again you will get chance to repeat that content by speaking, by discussing. So start speaking. And also, read loudly. If you read and speak, then you will train your tongue to speak and speak English fluently, effortlessly, and improve your English. Fifth, I'm telling you, you have to think in English. And this one I'm not telling for those people who doesn't know how to speak. If they don't know how to speak, then how they can think in English? But I'm telling for those who knows how to speak English little and good way also, they must try to think in English. Why? Because we try to speak, practice, but we don't try to think in English. Why? Because we are habituated to think in our native language. But whenever we think our native language, so over there you have to remind yourself that you have to think in English. So that time switch your language and start think in English. And also you can do writing, so that will also help you to think in English. Why? Because before writing we think, first we think, then we write. So if you are not getting what you should write, then you can write about same content, same video, which you will repeat again and again. So in this way, my dear friend, same content, vocab, knowledge you will repeat by listening again and again, by speaking, and by writing. That's how, my dear friend, you will make good command over this language and build your deep understanding. That would be effective listening, effective practice, effective speaking, writing, think in English, quality based listening. And these effective and quality based listening, speaking, learning, understanding will help you to improve, to assist your English level to elevate. And that's how, my dear friend, you will grow, improve fastly, quickly, improve every day. So, if you are struggling with your current level and not improving, then must follow these tips and see the result, how you will improve fastly. So, my dear friend, must follow these tips and elevate your English level. And use your time, energy, effort to get outcome, to get improvement, to get result. And if you use in this way, then you will definitely get, my dear friend. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.